बिहारी शंकराचार्य की जय।
हम्म।
श्री श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा देवी की
जय।
जय। कदाचित् कालिन्दी तथा विपिन संगीतधरा मुदाभिर्नारी वदन् कमलास्वदामधूप रमा शम्भो ब्रह्मामर पति गणेशार्चितपादो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे भुजे साव्ये वेणुं शिशिखपिचं कथितते दुकूलं निद्रान्ते सह चलकताक्षं विधत्ते सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावन वसति लीलापरिचयो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे महाम्बोधिसेतिरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे वसन् प्रासादान्तः सहज बलभद्रेण बलिना सुभद्रा मध्यस्थ सकल सुरसिवावसरदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे कृपापारवार सजल जलद श्रेणीरुचिरो रमावाणि रामसुरत अमल पंकेरुहमुख सुरन्द्रय आराध्य श्रुति गणशिखगीत चरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे रथारूढो गच्छन् पथि मिलितभूदेवपतले स्तुति प्रादुर्भावं प्रति पदम् उपाकरण्य सदया दया सिन्धुर्बन्धु सकल जगतां सिन्धु सुताया जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे परब्रह्म पीठकुव लयदलोत्फूलनयनो निवासी नीलाद्रौ निहित चरणो शिरसि रसानन्दो राधा सरस वपुरालिङ्गन सुखो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे न वैयाचिराज्यं न च कनकमाणिक्यविभवम् न याचेऽहं रम्यां सकल जनकां ह्यवरवधूं सदा काले काले प्रमथ पतिना गीत चरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे हर त्वं संसारं द्रुत तरम् असारं सूरपते हर त्वं पापानां विततिमापरां यादवपते अहो दीननाथे निहित चरणो निश्चितमिदम् जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथाष्टकं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः शुचि सर्वपापविशुद्धात्मा विष्णुलोकं स गच्छति। श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा महारानी की जय। प्रभुपाद की जय। साधु महाराज की जय। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna. Wonderful. So beautifully sung. Thank you so much. Rianch, over to you.
Yes, Prabhuji. Translation 1. Sometimes in great happiness, Lord Jagannath makes a loud concert with his flute in the rows of the banks of the Yamuna. He is like a bumblebee tasting the beautiful lotus-like faces of the cohort damsels of Raja and the great personalities such as Lakshmi, Shiva, Brahma, Indra and Ganesha worship his lotus feet. May Lord Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision. 2. In his left hand, Lord Jagannath holds a flute. On his head, he wears peacock feathers, and on his hips, he wears fine yellow silken cloth. From the corners of his eyes, he bestows sidelong glasses upon his loving devotees, and he always reveals himself through his pastimes in his divine abode of Vrindavan. May Lord Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision. 3. On the shore of the great ocean, with a large palace atop the brilliant golden Nilachal hill, Lord Jagannath resides with his powerful brother Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra, who sits between them. May that Jagannath Swami, who bestows the opportunity for devotional service upon all godly souls, be the object of my vision. 4. Lord Jagannath is an ocean of mercy and as beautiful as a row of blackish rain clouds. He is the storehouse of bliss for Lakshmi and Saraswati, and his face resembles a spotless, full-blown lotus. The best of demigods and sages worship him, and Upanishads sing his glories. May Lord Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision. 5. When Lord Jagannath moves along the road on his Radha cart, with every step large assemblies of Brahmanas loudly chant prayers and sing songs for his pleasure. Hearing their hymns, Lord Jagannath becomes very favorably disposed toward them. He is the ocean of mercy and the true friend of all the worlds. May Lord Jagannath Swami, along with his consort Lakshmi, who was born from the ocean of nectar, be the object of my vision. 6. Lord Jagannath, whose eyes resemble full-blown lotus petals, is the ornament on Lord Brahma's head. He resides on Nilachala hill with his lotus feet placed on the heads of Anantadeva. Overwhelmed by the mellows of love, he enjoys he joyfully embraces Srimati Radharani's body, which is like a cool pond. May the Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision. 7. I do not pray for a kingdom, nor do I pray for gold, ruby, service. I do not ask for a beautiful wife as desired by all men. I simply pray that Jagannath Swami, whose glorious Lord Shiva always sings, may be the constant object of my vision. 8th, O Lord of the demigod, please quickly remove the useless material existence I am undergoing. O Lord of the Yadus, please destroy this vast, shoreless ocean of sins. Alas, this is Satya Lord Jagannath bestows his lotus with upon those who feel themselves fallen and have no shelter in this world but him. May the Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision. 9. The self-retrailed virtuous soul who recites these 8 verses glorify Lord Jagannath becomes cleansed of all sins and newly proceeds to Lord Vishnu's abode. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Very, very nice. So tomorrow is Jagannath Rath Yatra in Puri, where Lord Jagannath Subhadramani will come out of the temple very mercifully, because some people are not allowed to go into the temple, but the Lord is so kind, he comes out to give his wonderful darshan and play his wonderful pastimes. And there'll be at least 1 million people to gather him, to greet him. So it's a really phenomenal event, occasion. And I hope one day everybody gets a chance, if you haven't already, to go and relish that time with Jagannath and his devotees. And this bhajan is such a wonderful bhajan. And it always concludes with this verse, Jagannatha Swami Nayana Gatakami Bhavatuve. May that Lord Jagannath be the object of my vision. And this is a very nice prayer to remember the Lord. There's so many wonderful prayers within this bhajan, which describes the glory of Lord Jagannath. Karuna, anything you'd like to share?
Tomorrow we'll have to stay in front of our TV and watch the Rath Yatra
Yeah,
along with you. Yeah, or the whole world will be watching it, I'm sure.
that's right. We'll try to put a link for the celebration in the group. So thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So Jagannath Astakam by Adi Shankaracharya, which is extraordinary, or an extraordinary bhajan written by Adi Shankaracharya. And at the Kadachit Kadlindi Tata Vipina is the name of this bhajan. Official name is Jagannath Astakam. Jagannath Astakam ki jai, Lord Jagannath ki jai, Adi Shankaracharya ki
Jai.
jai.